When someone comes to my office, it took a lot. It took them to think about, to see an attorney. We don't know whether they've already been served with papers or not, whether they are in a bad marriage or not, whether they want a prenup, a postnup, whether they're in an abusive relationship, whether they're in their relationship with addictions. So when they see me, it's a huge thing. It's a huge step to finally come to my office. It's very important for people to understand who are contemplating divorce, that just because you see a divorce attorney doesn't mean you have to walk into their office and say, I want to file for divorce. It is a huge decision to instruct your attorney to file for divorce. So what I tell people before they come to my office, and what my staff tells people when they call, is come in for a consult. Find out what your rights are. Find out what the law is. And then don't make any decisions. Leave our office and you will feel empowered. You will understand more when you leave our office than when you come into our office. And then people do feel empowered, and then sometimes they don't come back to me for a month, 6 months, because we do some divorce planning. When people come in, they have to know what the attorney's hourly rate is. If they're having some money issues where their husband or their wife has cut them off and they have no money, what will happen is the attorney should tell the client where and how to get money, how to divorce plan for the divorce process. So you should ask your hourly rate. You should ask what the retainer is. You should read the retainer agreement. Every retainer agreement is different, and that's the contract that you have between you and the attorney. So it's very important to ask about money issues at the initial consultation. We begin by talking about assets and liabilities. We talk about equitable distribution on how to split up the assets and how to split up the liabilities. If there are children, we talk about child support. We talk about the formula in Florida that we use for child support. We talk about alimony. What is alimony? Alimony is her need or his need, whoever's asking for alimony, and the other party's ability to pay. So we talk about alimony. We talk about how alimony and child support go together. We talk about visitation and time sharing for the children. We talk about whether there are any addictions in the marriage, whether there's any abuse in the marriage, and whether there was a prenup prior to getting married. We talk about many other issues also. And every case has a special issue that is their case. Whether it's a special needs child that needs extra help and extra money, whether it's one of the parties that's an addict that needs help. Every case has their issue. So it's very important to find the right attorney to determine really what your issue is so they can help you at the best of their ability. So you can get through the process in the easiest way, because it's a very difficult process to get through, and you want to make sure you like your attorney and you trust your attorney.